There's electricity here?
A little bit.
Yes, he does.
Glass.
He has a fan.
Guess where we
And he has a
are.
radio.
Guess where we are. Ah, my foot. I'm taking a video. I'm in here, found this cannon thing. And Shiv here, what do you think it is? What do you think? What do you think about
That's
this
a cannon.
Do you think it can actually work?
Yeah, duh, it has everything in it.
Apparently he says that this is the thing to light it, right?
Yeah.
But doesn't it just disappear? Or
So,
no?
maybe it's the one that you pull. I don't know.
And then like this is the thing where you push the gunpowder in or
Yeah.
something like that. But the thing is, there is no end over here. Like, how is it supposed to
They don't
work?
end.
Oh, it goes out of this, right?
You put the gunpowder in here, okay, and you put whatever you want, like a. What do you put in these things, anyways?
What things?
What do you put in a cannon, anyways?
You just put gunpowder in cannons, and then you fire. Oh, I think it is supposed to come out of this end. It goes in on that end.
You push this in to put the gunpowder in. Okay,
Yeah.
then you put like a whatever you want to fire, like your big rock. You can set this on fire. It ignites the gunpowder since it's all in one corner. It makes like a spark, and it pushes all the carbon dioxide out, which
Yeah, that
thus-
makes sense. Gunpowder
thus
wouldn't really.
pushes out what's in it.
Gunpowder wouldn't really hurt. It would just probably get stuck in your lungs, and it would hurt, but it wouldn't kill you.
And then you use it.
Well, it might, but it would eventually
What's the
kill.
zero stairs?
Zero stairs?
Yeah.
I sort of thought it would be stairs, but
Me too.
it could be that
I
thing.
thought it was like white stairs. Like
If you guys
fancy-
know what zero stairs are, this is a thing. This is
Oh
a
my
thing.
God,
Wait, you
what the
can't
frick
see
is
it.
this? If this turns on, this is
Guys, look at this. The size of this. This is like the size of those electric tiny cars, like those tiny electric. You know, those ones that you see, like the ones that minions drive in Despicable Me
I want one of these.
when they're
I
trying to
want one
get
of these instead
the
of a tractor.
but boy. They're trying to get the toy, the tiny one. This is like the same size as that. Here.
Instead of getting a instead of having
Maybe
a
even bigger.
tractor, I want these things.
That is a
These are
tractor?
Cool. You can do this.
That's
this,
probably
this,
harder
this,
to
this.
drive though, Shiv.
What does this do?
It doesn't do anything. That's, I don't know. You're just not strong enough. You're too tiny.
No, it's because there's a pin in it and certain. Space.
Welcome to the struggle, Shiv. Welcome to.
No, once you take the pin out, it should move.
Well, don't take the pin out then. So we're here at my dad's friend's house. I told him I had a YouTube channel, so. Wait, did I? I told him I was recording, so yeah, that's what I said.
You put these out, and when you want to drive, you put these in. Goes left this way, goes this way. Goes this way. Goes forwards. Goes this way.
Yeah? I bet it was ridiculous.
એમનું ઉતારે get dirty, Neil?
A little bit.
Hey, good shot.
It's just a dragonfly.
It's dead too.
Oh, that is actually
It lost
huge.
its face and it's still alive.
How do I get out?
It lost its face and it's still alive.
Did it get loaded?
I hurt my knee. That doesn't matter.
It's a like, kind of lily,
Like a lily pad.
but a bigger flower.
Apparently there are crocodiles in Emma, buddy.
Oh, I know, like down
It
south.
lost its face.
Oh, is it still alive?
It's a national flower.
Still alive?
Yeah, because Florida
Yeah.
gets big
Smoking
flowers,
its
but they
head
might
is
call
off.
them something
Here.
different.
Come on out. He has to tie it off.
Here's the zebra grass from the botanical gardens. And here's this little thing too. Shiv, stop messing with it.
I'm not. I'm filling up one container. It's going the wrong
That's
way.
why it goes the other way. Ah! Ah!
It's going the wrong way. Wrong way. It's going the wrong way. It's supposed to go that way.
He's gonna break it.
Oh my
No.
gosh, just that. Wait, just
Maybe
you know
this
this
is
pipe
fucking
thing?
right.
It's the same thing as the fish thing, so you can actually make this at home.
Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. What are you doing?
Look at this overflow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I feel sorry.
Squash.
They're called mountains because they're mountains. I don't know why they're called water, but
What are you doing?
I'm trying to unlock it.
No, I'm not.
If I had like a pen or a
How
pencil,
do you
I could
unlock
just
it?
push You take one of these and you just push it through. If I had a pen or a pencil, I could just take it out.
That's stupid though. You just like still take it or something?
Let me pull this thing out. I'll try.
I bet it like makes an alarm shake.
No, it won't.
Oh my god.
How you doing? Brush you if I have to.
Let's crash into her.
Melanie?
Jump.
Just hold me. Okay. Please, special good. You want to meet your friends? You're sad.
You're gonna go viral. What? I mean, I'm not recording.
What?
What? What? What?
Are you...
What? 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 What?
You sly dog. You've been recording.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm taking selfies.
You're so stupid. You're too ugly to take selfies. Everybody told you this. You're too ugly. You stop. I'm just trying to give you...
I'm not recording. Stop what?
Stop.
My hair looks so cool.
You're recording. I can see it.
No, I'm not.
I'm just putting these in.
Wait, where's Mama?
Mama, Mama, this one's open.